Hello friends, happy Wednesday from Bangladesh and welcome back to my another Clean Planet walk. Friends, today's Wednesday 2 March 2022, now morning time. This Wednesday morning I visiting a new natural place. Friends, you can see behind my back natural place. Actually it is a agricultural land area, green crop field, a small soil road beside a big pond. All in all, beautiful natural place. Friends, now I am walking in this small soil road. You can see small soil road, both side ponds, green crop field. All in all, really very beautiful natural place. Friends, you know I always try to save the natural place. I always try to clean the natural place. I always try to collect polluted garbage, plastic from natural place. This Wednesday morning I visiting this natural place. I walked here and I saw here some polluted garbage and plastic. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে বুধবার সকালে আমি আমাদের শহরের নতুন একটি প্রাকৃতিক জায়গায় এসেছি। আমি এখন ছোট একটি মাটির রাস্তায় দাঁড়িয়ে আছি। দুই পাশে, এক পাশে পুকুর, এক পাশে সবুজ সবজি ক্ষেত, কৃষি জমি। জায়গাটি খুবই সুন্দর। তো ওই জায়গা দিয়ে হাঁটার সময় আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি, এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা, পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, now I try to cleaning this beautiful natural place. Let's go friend, cleaning mission start now. Friends, and a bag in my hand, I collect the polluted plastic and garbage from this place. Friends, first I saw one plastic, so I collected that plastic, this plastic. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our nature, our natural place. So I collected this plastic. Friends, I saw one old plastic stuck in soils. মাটিতে আটকে আছে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করব। ওল্ড, ভেরি ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক, রিয়েলি ভেরি ব্যাড। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I saw cigarette packs, pond side. One side ponds, one side green crop field. Really very beautiful natural place. Old cigarette packet. Friends, this place is really very beautiful place, green place. This morning I walking this place, this small soil road. I walking in this place and try to collect polluted plastic and garbage from this place. Friends, I saw another plastic here. I collected this plastic, old plastic. This is a really very bad and old plastic. Very old. Beautiful green nature. I saw two dogs here. So another plastic here. agricultural land area. Now I walking this place and try to collect polluted garbage. I saw one plastic here, so I collected this plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন I saw another plastic stuck in green nature, green grass. সবুজে আটকে আছে এটা দেখেন big old plastic. I collected this plastic. Friends, now I walking this natural place and try to collect polluted garbage and plastic, small plastic here, plastic. I saw another plastic here, old plastic. This old plastic stuck in green nature. সবুজ প্রকৃতিতে আটকে আছে এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম দেখতে পাচ্ছেন old plastic, very old. I collected this old plastic. শিশির ভেজা প্রকৃতি, beautiful nature. Friends, this pond, pukur, big pukur, really very beautiful nature here, natural place. I saw another plastic here, unused plastic product. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম unused plastic product. Pond site, really very beautiful place, natural place. Friends, I saw one big plastic stuck in pond side soils. I collected this big plastic, very old and big, dirty, পুরাতন প্লাস্টিক। এটা আমি পুকুরের সাইড থেকে সংগ্রহ করলাম। Very bad. This plastic is really very bad for our natural place, our river, our ponds, our river water, ponds water, pond water. Friends, I collect some polluted plastic garbage from this natural place, crop field, pond side. Really very beautiful place. My cleaning mission finished. I collected some very bad and old plastic. Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this bag. Now garbage bag throw in dustbin. Let's go, friend. Really very beautiful natural place. This Wednesday morning I try to cleaning this place. Friends, this garbage bag throw in this dustbin. Thank you.